next month, April 23rd, and it has the largest character roster it's ever had. So pre-order it now. Do it.
Finish her.
Said every character has 2 fatalities, one of the most iconic parts of Mortal Kombat.
Wings. Flawless victory. Fatality.
If you prefer throwing spears across the battlefield and teleporting into a blaze of fire, or if you prefer freezing your enemies ice cold, there's a character for everyone with a roster of 36 players in Mortal Kombat 11. Psh, $60? Ah, who cares? If you pre-order right now, you also get the pre-order DLC character, the Conqueror of the Realms, the ruler of Outworld, Shao Kahn.
Yeah. And I can't do it at home. If only.
Come to Math Club. It's on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It starts at the end of school and it goes to 3:50. You can ride the activity bus home and there's snacks in case you get hungry.
Yay!
So what do you guys do here?
Well, it's a multicultural club. Talk about diversity, and I always feel knowledge is power. To look at the things that happened in the past, people's cultures, why we all live, why this country is one big melting pot, and it's awesome because when you know about a person's culture, it gives you a great insight of who they are, and we're all really not that much different from each other in a sense of the word.
Come to Multicultural Club on Thursdays after school from 2 to 4 p.m. Make sure you get a ride home or catch the activity bus.
Do re mi. Do you got talent? Frederick?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Ayla?
Thanks.
Ellie?
Thanks. Dang it. I got an F again. I need help. Maybe I can help you. We can go to study club and I can help too. Bye, Miss Fuller. Come to study club.
It's on Mondays and Wednesdays.
From 2:20 to 4 p.m.
The activity bus will be there to pick you up and bring you home.
Get your grades up!
Do re mi. Do you got talent?
What will I do without my box?
So you lost the box there. You know it'd be a shame if me and my friend took it.
That would be a shame, wouldn't it?
one guy. Tell him.
What is this box?
Not tell him.
What?
You'll never know.
We need to know.
Out of here.
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's go.
What do you call a vampire snowman? I don't know, what do you call it? Frostbite? That's stupid. Got talent?
Oh my god, you're a spider under the table!
You mean there's no spider down here?
Expo mogul! Where's my expo mogul?
There's no spider.
Oh, fried shotgun and purple milkshake. We don't get purple milkshake. That's too germy. No milkshake.
No milkshake?
No milkshake. Too
Water.
germy. That's what I was thinking. Timmy, you like stores? Timmy! Timmy! It's a great day.
Sorry, Phil, this is hard for me to choke.
Got talent.
Oh, hi, I'm Taisha. I'm a teacher. I live in Los Angeles, California. Ever since I was 12, I suffered from very bad shyness. I hope I can break out of my shell to meet Colton. Yeah, and I think I'm the prettiest.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I live in Alabama, and I was crowned Miss Alabama, which I guess makes me a queen. I'm so excited to meet Colton. Colton, you're a 10. I'm gonna meet you when I can.
Okay, my Instagram. Oh, hi. Is this my right side? Okay, good. My name's Kaylin. I live in Alabama, and I'm 24 years old, and I was runner-up for Miss Alabama, and I love kids. I never fall in love before, so I hope I fall in love with Colton.
Hi, I'm Cassie. I'm from Huntington Beach, California. I'm a speech pathologist. I love oceans, and I can't wait to meet Colton.
Instagram. Oh, hi. Is this my good side? I'm Kaylin. I'm 24 years old. Alabama. I lived in.
Hi, I'm Cassie. Hi, I'm Cassie. I'm from California Beach, California. Hi.
There's the emo. There it is, dude. 4-player. Stream. Sniping.
I'm late to class. Stop stream sniping me!
stop stream sniping me.
Don't do it.
I don't really like you stream sniping me.
Got talent? Come try out for the talent show.
The dates are May
7th, 8th, and 9th. So come try out. We hope to see you there.